Are you still buying crypto based on a feeling or a random tweet? Or do you actually know how to read the data the market is screaming at you? What's up, everyone? Welcome back to tokns.fi. Today, we are stripping away the noise and diving deep into the art and science of technical analysis. By the end of this video, you'll stop guessing and start identifying high probability setups using the same tools the pros use in 2026. Whether you're exploring the TX ecosystem or tracking Bitcoin, understanding charts is the only way to maintain an edge in this volatile market. The foundation, candlesticks, and timeframes. First things first, forget line charts. We use Japanese candlesticks. Each candle tells a story, the open, the close, and the wicks showing the price extremes. In 2026, the key is timeframe alignment. Don't just look at the 15-minute chart. Zoom out to the daily or weekly to see the macro trend. If you want more deep dives into market psychology, definitely check out coherencedaddy.com. Support, resistance, and trendlines. The market has a memory. Support is the floor where buyers step in, and resistance is the ceiling where sellers take over. Stop looking for perfect lines, look for zones. These are areas of high liquidity. Draw your trend lines connecting the higher lows in an uptrend or lower highs in a downtrend. When a major resistance level flips and becomes support, that's often your strongest signal to enter. Mastering indicators and DeFi metrics. Indicators are great, but don't clutter your screen. Start with the basics, RSI and moving averages. The RSI tells you if an asset is overbought or oversold. But remember, in a strong bull run, overbought can stay overbought for weeks. When trading in the TX ecosystem, look for volume spikes to confirm that a move is real and not a fakeout. And since we're talking about DeFi, pronounced DeFi, keep an eye on total value locked, TVL, as a fundamental layer to your technical analysis. Putting it all together, the strategy. Now, let's synthesize. You don't trade one indicator, you trade a confluence of factors. Step 1. Identify the trend on the daily chart. Step 2. Find your support zone. Step 3. Wait for a bullish candle pattern and an RSI bounce. This systematic approach removes the emotion and the guessing. For more resources on how to integrate these strategies into your portfolio, head over to toknsfi. We covered the basics of candlesticks and timeframes. We mapped out support, resistance, and trend lines. We integrated indicators and DeFi metrics for a complete strategy. Remember, charts aren't a crystal ball. They are a map of human psychology. The more you practice, the clearer the map becomes. If this helped you level up your trading game, hit that subscribe button and join the community. Smash the like button if you're bullish on the TX ecosystem this year. Comment below, which indicator is your absolute favorite for 2026?